This is a house for a small family located on the outskirts of Nara, Japan. A parking space facing the road in front extends the full width of the front opening, as to accommodate all the cars for daily use and the motorbikes for the owner's hobby. This is why the facade is set back to give space to the parking area. The building itself projects a closed image, except for the hobby area on the first floor, which is a wide open space with glass openings. The first floor is L-shaped, with a courtyard in the northwest corner, creating a highly private space for the family. To the east is the master bedroom, and to the south are the child's room and a Japanese-style room, all facing the courtyard in the northwest. However, to avoid the views towards the courtyard from each room, overlapping with each other, the openings to the courtyard have been kept relatively small to secure an independent courtyard view. Historically, the living quarters of a Zen temple have a green garden to the north, where the movement of the sun from east to west can be enjoyed throughout the day. To the south, there is a garden that provides reflections and diffusions of sunlight, creating a space where a gentle brightness appears inside. In contrast to the enclosed layout of the first floor, the living space on the second floor features a large opening facing the northern landscape. The ceiling height is 3.2 meters, and this height is emphasized by the skylight at the top of the southern wall. Additionally, this living dining area overlooks the wooden deck on top of the master bedroom below, with abundant light coming in from the north. As a result, the living dining space gives the feeling of almost living in an outdoor space. The view extends horizontally, while the sunlight from the skylight on the south side pours in vertically. This house is an interpretation of the space concept from the historical Japanese context for modern urban living.